again, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with y'all our meal plan, also kind of how I meal plan, and then our grocery haul. Okay, so this binder is actually quite messy. I started out, as you guys saw, with the 4 or 5 binders in the cabinet, and I was going to organize them based on entrees, like maybe beef or chicken or maybe crock pot meals, something like that. But it just kind of ended up being all in one. So I may reorganize that. Maybe that can be a video later on. But this is how it is for now. I need to at least put these, you know, in my actual binder and stuff. But basically, this is just where I keep all of my recipes that I usually find online. I keep them all in here just so I'll know where they are. And I think I've mentioned to y'all before, I am old school. I like to have paper recipes in hand. I know it does use more paper and ink and things like that, but I really like to have a paper recipe out when I'm cooking something rather than having to look on my phone every, you know, couple minutes or whatever. So anyway, here is just some recipes that I've printed over time. And I do really need to go through here because some of these things I really have not even made, or I've made and maybe didn't like. But also I will make notes on them. Let me see if I can find some with notes. But after I get past all of these, yeah, here's one with a note. When I did the slow cooker chicken and dumplings, I wrote so good on there, and that was so good. So anyway, once I get past all this, I do have some pages in here that are in little pocket protectors. And then I have these 2 pages that are just printer paper. And so I can't remember if I showed you guys this before or not, but if I have, it's been a while. So you can take a piece of notebook paper or printer paper, and I probably did this, gosh, I don't know, a long time ago, 4, 5, 6 years ago. And basically I just wrote dinner ideas down, and I just started kind of brain dumping all of my dinner ideas that are just like easy things that I make all the time. Because sometimes I know it's hard to just think of things, you know? So anyway, all these are real basic, like I said: crock pot pork chops, spaghetti, tacos, ground beef stroganoff, hamburgers, turkey burgers, tater tot casserole, etc., etc. And obviously these things can change. Like, I can't tell you the last time I made ground beef stroganoff or turkey burgers, but having them all on a piece of paper just helps me to remember things that, you know, I can make really easily and that we like. And then I just take my notepad over here and just start writing down things that sound good or whatever. So today is Thursday, so I do write down the days, and y'all forgive my handwriting. I do write down the days just because sometimes, you know, we will have things going on which dictates what kind of meal we need. We need something quick. Should I put something in the crock pot? Things like that. So I normally only go a week out, but for times like in the summer, if there's not a whole lot going on, especially right now, then I just put the days down and just make sure I have enough meals for those days. It doesn't necessarily have to be meals on those days. So anyway, that's just kind of how I start. That's just how I kind of get an idea of things that I can cook. And then back here I probably need to add more things to this, but I also have like sides and veggies, and then that's pretty much it. And I have some pocket protectors on recipes that I found like in magazines and things like that. This is that taco soup that I've shared a few times that is so good, that came from, well, actually I printed that one, and then down here is something else. And I don't even think I've ever tried this particular soup. But anyway, I have a Sloppy Joe recipe, and then I also have on the back the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joe recipe. So basically this is just my little dinner kind of book. Like I said, I do need to organize this. And then I have some more recipes down here. I also have all my Thanksgiving recipes in here. I probably should create like a Thanksgiving binder. Matter of fact, I think I will do that. This is something I usually make for Thanksgiving. There's my sweet potato pie recipe. So I just need to go through here. But anyways, that's how I meal plan. So I'm going to sit here. Also, I showed y'all my cookbooks. I just pulled a few that I kind of want to look through this week to see if there's anything good. Gooseberry Patch. I love Gooseberry Patch recipes and their cookbooks. For one, they're just so cute and they have like the best recipes in there. So I'm gonna sit here and look through these and drink my coffee. Also, I'll probably get on my phone and look on Pinterest just for a minute, and then after I make my meal plan, I'll show you guys what I have decided on. And then also too, I'll ask my family if there's anything they're craving or they want for dinner for the upcoming week. And so Darren actually said he wanted some chicken Phillies this past week, and I hadn't made them yet. So I went ahead and wrote those down. I'll probably do those tomorrow night. And then I also have some frozen fries still here, so I'll probably just do that with that. But I'll just ask the kids, hey, is there anything that you're wanting this week? Things like that. And if there is, I'll just write it down. So, all right, let me get started. All right, so I got most of my meal plan made. I haven't decided what I want to do tonight. We do have an errand to run when Darren gets home, so that will take a little bit. So I'm trying to just think if we'll just grab something out or eat something really, really quick that I can fix, you know, pretty easily. So, like I said, this is not necessarily in this order, but like I said, Darren requested chicken Philly, so I'll probably do that tomorrow night with those fries. And then Pioneer Woman meatballs and rigatoni with a salad. I thought that sounded really good in her cookbook. And then yesterday, Wednesday, was actually supposedly National Wing Day. We didn't have wings, so I think Darren wanted those, and that got me kind of wanting some too. So I thought we would smoke some wings Sunday night and have celery and carrots with that. That'll just be kind of easy. And then beef and bean burritos. That's also another Pioneer Woman recipe. I guess I'm just really loving her stuff this week, but I thought that sounded really good, and that's also relatively easy. And as long as this is online, I can share this in my next What's for Dinner. I know her meatballs and rigatoni recipe is on Food Network website, so I can share that in my What's for Dinner video without being like copyrighted from sharing, you know, her cookbook. And then, let's see, also slow cooker cube steak. That's a recipe I've made plenty of times. Just thought I would do something in the slow cooker this week. And I put over here on the side mashed potatoes, roasted zucchini, and then rice in parentheses. Because McKenna's not a huge potato, especially mashed potato fan. So I'll just get like a little rice cup or make some rice for her, something like that. And then I always like to have an easy night on the meal plan. So I did frozen pizza, or we might get pizza out, but I'll probably just pick up some frozen pizzas to have on hand. And normally I put a couple more dinner ideas on here just in case, you know, something comes up or we're just not feeling what I already have mainly on here. So I might think of a couple more things. And then up here I have breakfast and lunch ideas. I just asked the kids what they want for breakfasts for the week. Hayden is the only one up right now, so she told me Cocoa Pebbles. I know they both like French toast sticks, and we're out of those. And then lunches, I'll put something that I want to have for lunches for the week, or if Darren does, or the kids, you know, obviously everyone. And then down here, so normally I would just go through and make my list and do Walmart pickup, but we're actually going to have to go into the store today. So I just like to do it by sections, and that's kind of the sections, that's how my Walmart goes as we walk through the store. So it just makes it really easy. So I'll just go back and go through all my recipes and put everything in here, so that way we can get in and out of the store as quickly as possible. So now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back through everything, make my grocery list, and we'll head to the store in just a little bit. So it's actually the next day. I ended up not doing a Walmart pickup order yesterday. They just didn't have anything early enough in the day. So anyway, we actually went in store, and I really didn't want to go to Walmart this time. Like I told y'all, I think in my last What's for Dinner, the produce and stuff has just kind of been not so great. And plus, shopping in Walmart is not my favorite, especially with 2 kids. So we went to Publix today, and I quickly remembered why I brave Walmart. I love shopping at Publix. I love shopping at other grocery stores like Publix and Harris Teeter. But y'all, It's just so expensive. It's ridiculous. I think I probably spent like $50 or $75 more than going to Walmart. Is that $50 or $75 worth it to be able to shop in peace, kind of, and not run into people every 2 seconds? Probably so. So anyway, I'm going to show y'all our grocery haul. It is quite a bit. We spent $268. Here's Darren behind me. But we got some yummy things. So, all right, let me flip y'all around and show y'all what we got. So we'll start with the produce. We have celery and carrots. We are gonna do wings probably tomorrow. So I just got celery and carrots to go with that. I got 2 Honeycrisp apples for myself. I got the big ones for me, and then the girls, especially Hayden, really likes these little snack-sized Honeycrisp apples, so I got those for them. Actually, no, these are Gala apples, but that's fine. They like those too. And then a bag of russet potatoes. I got these 2 little herbs, and normally I just get the regular like bunch of cilantro. I also needed parsley, and even theirs did not look so great. So I did need some cilantro for a recipe, so I just got the little thing of that. And then some basil, fresh basil, so I got that little thing. Also, we got some zucchini, some lettuce. The girls wanted halos. They really love snacking on those. I needed quite a few onions for recipes this week, so I just got a bag of those. And then I'll show you the meat I got this week. Let's see, they did not have ground pork, which I needed. I'm gonna be making some meatballs this week, but I just went ahead and got this big pack of ground beef. It wasn't too bad. It was only $10.97, and like I said, it's actually a little over 3 pounds, so that'll be enough for a couple recipes I have this week. And then, like I said, the chicken wings right here. And then coming over this way, I got these 2 little rice-a-roni cups. I think I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm gonna be making some mashed potatoes as a side dish one night. McKenna's not a huge mashed potato fan, and she really likes this kind of rice. So I thought that would be nice to have on hand for her. She can have rice instead of mashed potatoes, and I don't have to fix, you know, a whole big pan full of that. I got Louisiana sweet tea. So it's kind of funny. This summer we have been making sweet tea at least once a week, if not twice. And usually, even though I've made sweet tea videos, I just didn't make it, you know, regularly. But it's become a regular thing this summer. So anyway, they didn't. My favorite is Great Value. Obviously, Publix doesn't have Great Value. So second favorite is Louisiana. Also needed some refried beans for a recipe. They only had 1 can of the regular and then 1 of the vegetarian, but I thought that's fine. I mean, you know, beans are vegetarian anyway. The only thing that's not in here, I looked, was lard, so I don't think we're gonna miss that too much. I needed 2 cans, actually 1 crushed, 1 whole tomatoes for a recipe. We're out of olive oil, also got olive oil spray, also out of Parmesan cheese. And then, let's see, peanut butter. I got the Peter Pan last time, and it was really good. So I got that again. Then the girls picked out some yogurts, 2 orange cream, key lime pie whip, and chocolate whip. And then the croissant rolls are for something, I don't want to call it a recipe, but something fun that I'll probably share with you guys. Sweet cream butter. McKenna actually needed unsalted butter for something. She wants to make some kind of apple cake. She got a cookbook for her birthday, and that was something she needed, so she got that. A block of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to shred that up. That'll be for various things. Okay, and then this I've seen a few people talk about. I really want to try it, but I'm mostly blaming this on my friend Haley from Home with Haley, Haley Cooper. She drinks this. She does Weight Watchers also, and this was pretty expensive. Y'all have to tell me how much this is at Walmart or other stores. It was like $10. It only makes 2 pitchers, but of course a pitcher of coffee, you know, that'll last a few days. You don't drink that much at a time, but I still thought that was quite a bit, $10 for that. So anyway, I went ahead and got it. And then also she uses half and half in her coffee and unsweet almond milk. Don't know if it's vanilla, but I just like the unsweet vanilla kind. So I got that. And then she also does sugar-free caramel, like in her glass or cup. They didn't have that. But anyway, got spray butter, got strawberry cream cheese. McKenna wanted that for bagels that we got. Needed sour cream, needed Greek yogurt. This is the kind that we really like. And then here comes all of the snacky stuff. The girls, of course, wanted these. And then they picked out Annie's cookie dough protein bar. Never seen those before. We'll see if they like them. They were not bad though, only like 3 something, so about average price for stuff like that. The Oreos, that's actually for the something I want to try. Got some pizza Pringles. Hayden picked those out. They did have the little bites, buy one get one free, so I got a couple boxes of those. They wanted some pudding, which I never ever buy, but you know, it's the end of summer, why not? We let them get those. And then Hayden picked out these Pop-Tarts, and she got the unfrosted strawberry, which I thought was interesting, but hopefully she eats them. And then over here, I thought this just sounded delicious. We saw this DiGiorno pepperoni, but it's croissant crust, flaky and buttery. Does that not look good or what? So McKenna actually, she's like, I think that looks really good too. So I just went ahead and got 2 of these this time instead of 1 cheese. We normally buy, is it Red Baron or, I always get them confused. Red Baron, the stone fired or fire grilled, I don't know, stone fired, something like that. And they're like $3. These are like double that for 1. So anyway, but I'm sure that's gonna be good. My snacks, I got some cheddar rice cakes. These were like 10 for $10, so I just got a couple. Never tried the buffalo ranch, but I thought that sounded good. And then also I saw this on Haley's What I Eat in a Day today, so that inspired me to get some of these Jolly Ranchers sugar-free. Just, I don't have a sweet tooth much, but when I do, I think that will, you know, do the trick for me. So I got a couple cereals. These were also buy one, get one free, so that helped a little bit. McKenna picked this out. I do not think that sounds good at all, but she wanted it, so we will see. And then Hayden picked Cocoa Pebbles. And then over here for bread, we got the soft white hoagie rolls. That's gonna be for our chicken Phillies, which I'm gonna make here in just a few minutes. The bagel thins, I really like these. They're low in points, and the kids and whoever will eat those too, so that's good. Got some more eggs. These are also something that's like at least $2 more at Publix, because they of course don't have store brand, or I don't know. Anyways, also needed burrito flour tortillas for a recipe. And then McKenna also needed apple juice for her little apple cake she's making. So I've heard this brand's really good, so she got that. Also, this is my guilty pleasure, Cheeto popcorn, so good. And then Hayden picked out this juice. I forgot I have McKenna's juice. It is the Honest Kids, the Berry Good Lemonade. That's her favorite. I stuck it outside, just bringing stuff in. And then toilet paper is another thing that I just cannot bring myself to buy, but we can't run out of toilet paper, so I just got this small one until I can get to Walmart to get toilet paper and also paper towels. And then a couple things back here that I didn't show on the other side. Rigatoni, that is for a recipe I'm gonna do this week. I can't remember why I bought bacon. I needed it for something, but either way, you know, bacon, we'll eat it. And then I've also, you okay?
I had a panic attack because you didn't know how you bought bacon.
Oh gosh, are you okay?
I'm fine now.
Okay, well, I bought bacon. Everything's good. We can eat it for whatever we want. I've also been craving a potato, like hash brown scramble bowl, and I love these potatoes O'Brien with the onions and peppers. I love to saute those with some sausage and cheese and sour cream and maybe egg. Is not healthy, and that's why I don't have it all the time, but I've just been craving it. But I did get the turkey sausage to make it, you know, a little less fat in there. And then I've also been craving these little chicken sausages, the country style. They taste just like a regular, you know, breakfast sausage, and I love having those. I'm not sure the points on any of that, but I'll make it work. But anyway, that is our pretty decent size little grocery haul from Publix. That's gonna be it for this week's little meal plan and grocery haul. Hopefully you enjoyed kind of meal planning with me, and maybe that gave you an idea or a tip. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing great, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.